Hello and welcome to my first YouTube video. Please bear with me. In this video, I will be covering the installation of MariaDB and the Godot MariaDB connector. This is a fresh installation of Ubuntu 24 with the Cinnamon desktop. Due to loss of failing in both hands, I'll be pasting in code. I'll try to pause before moving on. Let's get started by opening the terminal. First, let's update the packages. And install MariaDB. And I believe the last minor version is 11, which is also available on Ubuntu 24. This is fine as the current MariaDB connector version is only compatible with major version 10. Let's run the MariaDB secure installation. I'm just going to use default settings here. Let's check the status. Queue to quit. Now let's get into MariaDB. Install the ED25519 plugin for secure authentication and to work with the Godot MariaDB connector. I'm going to change the root password. That way in future videos I can display the password. I don't recommend using this password. Now let's create the test database. Some users. Again, using not very secure passwords, but again, we're going to do this for simplicity's sake. You'll need a user for both local hosts for IP version 4 and IP version 6, just in case you have some router issues. I'm also going to add access for the entire local network. That way I can access this from a Windows machine or any other machine on the network for testing purposes. Let's certify that the user was added correctly. Now let's add privileges for the user. Let's verify the grants. Now for the add-on testing, I'm going to go ahead and add the MySQL native password users. Verify the user got added. Add privileges. And let's check those privileges. Now we can quit. Off camera, I installed the Brave browser so that we can download Godot later on. But for now, I'll show you how to install dbeaver. Gotta add the GPG keys. package. Update. Install. That's running. Let's go ahead and open up Brave or your browser in choice. The MariaDB connector is compatible with 4.3. It's also compatible with 4.4. We'll go ahead and run it with 4.4. Zip Godot. Show you a little trick on how to add a hotkey to the bar here. You should right click the menu, the edit menu. I'll just go into programming. We'll add a new item. We'll paste this command in here. Let me see if I can expand this so you can see it better. What this does is it will open up the terminal and run Godot, so that way you'll have access to the terminal. Let's go ahead and change the icon too. I'm doing this so that we can get the icon. Launch Godot. Okay, terminal's open. close the terminal manually every single time you close Godot, or you'll end up with 40 million. Let's download the demo project. Let's check the latest version release. It may be different than the asset lib. I try to make notes inside the asset lib when I update, but they will not be in sync all the time because there's a delay between me updating a release and them approving it in the asset lib. To upgrade to 4.4. I will continue doing updates in 4.3 just to keep it compatible with 4.3. I like to test to make sure any changes are still compatible with 4.3. You'll just have to update accordingly. Okay, we can't see the class yet, and that's because we have not installed the add-on. See here the version. I always try to keep this updated. Well, they update this, but I also make notes down here. Let's restart. I don't have to restart it now. Oh, very good. Alright, now we still have to do one more step, and that is install the tables inside of the database. To do that, I've included the SQL to import. There's two versions. This will just build the table structure. This has all the data and the table structure in it. Just extract it right here. Open a terminal here and import the data. Now let's verify that the data's there. test our project. That'll do it for this video. Now that I got my feet wet, I plan on doing an entire multiplayer series using the MariaDB connector. If you want to see more videos, hit the like and subscribe to let me know. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions. Thanks for watching.